Assalamualaikum and hi. We are at Self Practice 8.1G. This is Form 1 syllabus. For each of the following angles, explain briefly how you could construct the angle using only a pair of compasses and a ruler. Then construct the angle. Okay, I'm not going to explain. I'm just going to draw. Okay, so how do you draw an angle of 90 degree at a point? Where's pencil? Okay, so let's have a line, and then we want to draw 90 degree at point A. A will be here, for example. Okay, so what you do, you have a compass. Okay, so you draw curve to the left and to the right of A. Then you open up more than whatever that you have drawn just now. And from the left and the right, you draw to the middle but on top of A. The first curve should be a long one. The second curve is enough by drawing a small curve intersecting the first curve. And then now you draw an angle. Okay, you draw a straight line from A to the intersection. Okay. Okay, let's see whether it is really 90 degree. Okay, so in this case it will be you can say, okay, so you see this is in the middle here, passing through 90. Okay, that is how you draw an angle of 90 degree. Okay, so how do you draw B, angle of 45 degree? So 45 degree is 90 divided by 2. So how to draw or how to bisect an angle of 90 degree? Originally now is 90 degree. So whenever you are asked to draw a 45 degree, you draw an angle of 90 degree and then you bisect the angle. Okay, so I'm not using the longer one now. So I'm using the shorter one. Okay, from A, you draw. Okay, I'm not going to disturb the drawing. So either you do shorter one or the longer one. Okay, I'm not comfortable with shorter one. So I'm going to have a longer one. So make sure from A will intersect the straight line on the right and on the top. So from A, I draw a curve to the top and draw a curve to the right. So we have X and Y here. Just have X and Y here. And from the X and Y, you draw to the middle. Okay, so where is the middle? So because this is 90 degree, the middle will be somewhere here, somewhere in the line here. So from X, make sure you use intelligent guesses. Do not draw it here, do not draw it there. You guess somewhere in the middle. So make it longer. Okay, and from the Y, no need for a very long curve. The short one to intersect to the first curve. So from the coordinate of A, you will draw to that intersection. So you should get an angle of 45 degree. Okay, almost in my case is almost 45. Okay, make sure the position correctly. Oh, okay, it's almost 45. Something like from here will be 44.5. Okay, Then we want to know to draw an angle of 75 degrees. So